Hello everyone, this is Guide to Everything. In today's video, I'll show you on how you can optimize your first layer in Bambu Studio. So the first thing that you want to do is to adjust the layer height. Basically, you want to use 0.2. Bambu printers default to this because it's the sweet spot for most plates. Now for the initial layer line width, which is going to be this one, you want to increase it to 0.5 mm for a full 0.4 mm nozzle. This extra width focuses or forces the lines to squish together, closing any gaps. Now let's head over to speed. And basically for the initial layer speed, you want to slow down the initial layer and the initial layer infill to 20 to 35 millimeters per second. In my case, I'm going to be setting it to 35. Basically, with this option, even though Bambu printers are fast, the first layer needs a slow and steady approach. And lastly, we just have to head over to the filament setting. So you just have to click on this three dots, click edit, and then you want to look for the flow ratio. Now inside this page, basically you could just try using 1.03 and 1.05. In my case, I'm going to be setting it into the middle number. If you see some gaps between the lines, basically you could just go ahead and try these options right here. Now some additional tips, basically we have the temperature and plate selection. Now this is the most common mistakes. You want to ensure that the drop down in the top left matches your actual plate. For example, the textured PI, cool plate, and more. This adjusts the hidden Z offset automatically. And for the first layer temp, you want to raise the nozzle temp by 5 to 10 degrees Celsius for the first layer, only to ensure that the plastic is runny enough to bite into the plate texture. And so that's how you optimize your first layer in Bambu Studio. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.